If you're a teacher or school administrator, you probably wish your students were a bit more engaged in class. You want them to succeed, but you wish they would take better notes and read their textbooks and articles a bit more effectively and get their homework in on time. My name is Mark Pruitt, and I want to introduce you to Making the Grade College Prep course. Making the Grade is a 10-day study skills course. Just 10 days at about an hour a day, perfect for 8th grade on up. Teaching your students how to take notes, especially at the college level. How to read their textbooks and articles effectively. How to write papers. How to complete and turn in amazing projects. How to overcome discouragement and stress. And how to use their time, which is the biggest challenge for every student, plus a whole bunch more. This is not about how to simply get an A in a class. It's about learning the classroom material so effectively they can't help but get an A. Whether it be math, science, English, history, a foreign language, it doesn't matter. This course will teach your students how to learn and can change their academic future immediately. I realize there are no shortcuts to learning, but it doesn't have to be hard. This program gives students structure and will teach them how to learn the classroom material extremely well in the short time they have available. Again, it's Making the Grade College Prep course. And the nice thing is, I do all the teaching and the system does all the grading. All you need is a facilitator. The course is only 10 days and can be easily adapted to fit any class schedule. By the way, it is completely online, but there is a traditional hard copy version as well. I am so confident Making the Grade will do amazing things for your students that I am offering it free for 1 year. That's right, free for an entire year to the first 500 schools. So go to 4studysteps.com, select College Prep Course, select Join, create an account, and use the promo code on your screen to get Making the Grade College Prep course free for an entire year. There's absolutely nothing to lose, and you could be the difference maker for those students who desperately need the help.